How to fix verification code not receiving on iPhone. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that you wanna make sure that do not disturb or sleep mode is toggled off. If it's toggled on by any chance, the notification will not appear in your device. So make sure that do not disturb or sleep mode is toggled off. Now once you do that, simply go ahead and open Settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, scroll below and then tap on Messages. Now from here, you want to make sure that this focus is toggled on. And then the next step would be to toggle on this iMessage. Once you do that, scroll below and then you want to make sure that a filter unknown senders is toggled off. Now once it is done, you want to make sure that send as SMS is also toggled on in your device. Now once you do that, simply head back to your home screen and then see if the problem is fixed or not. If not, you want to go ahead and open Settings application again. From here, tap on General and from General scroll below and then tap on Reset or Transfer iPhone. Now simply tap on Reset again. And from here, simply tap on Reset Network Settings. Once you do that, it will reset all of your network settings. Now once done, the last step that you want to do is simply force start your iPhone. You want to go ahead and click the volume up button once and then the volume down button once, and with that simply go ahead and click the power off button until you see the iPhone logo. And with that, you'll then be able to force restart your iPhone. And that should definitely fix your issue. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.